What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Knife Life EDC. Got a couple knives in. They're gonna be like a first impressions type thing, except for this one. I opened this one up, I don't know, a few days ago because I was kind of excited to get it because these are both gonna be button locks. I opened this one up just because I was excited for it because it's my first button lock, and I was not really excited with the outcome. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up, kind of go over that, and then this one is the civivi conspirator. So we'll kind of get into these and just kind of get going. This one right here was kind of, I had high hopes for it, and it was a great disappointment. I don't know if I just got kind of like a dead knife or what, 'cause I know that type of stuff happens, like it happens with everything. So it wasn't anything I wasn't kind of like expecting sooner or later. But yeah, like I said, this is the Crowley. Um, it opens up a little better now. Well, because like I said, I said in my YouTube short, like I worked like 6 hours on just trying to get it all back together, fighting with it. The button lock, like it was not opening up or well. It was not closing and opening up, and it was just causing a lot of problems. It's working better now. I lubed the crap out of it, just kind of just seeing what was wrong with it. I didn't know if it was the green micarta scales. I didn't know if it was that, because I figured it might be like sticking to it, trying to get out or something like that when it comes open. So it is working better, and it's still not closing like I want. And if you look, it is a little bit better aligned or centered, excuse me. But like I said, like I was working on that for hours and hours and hours. Like I was watching videos on what other people have done just to get this thing to centered and working, and I still it still doesn't want to flip that well. And it's still like now it's not closing. You really gotta just fight with it. It doesn't. Same with the verse flip. It doesn't want to work well. And like I wish they would have kind of put a little more room just right there to really get it. Maybe if they would have done that, I could have got my finger back there a little better to really flip it. But it's just a numerous issues. Same with this up here. It's like it's kind of just a pain. Like I was real excited about this because I love the green micarta scales. I just love the way it looked overall. Like it looked great overall, and I was excited for it. But it just certainly bombed on me. So I don't know. Like I'm that's not going to steer me away from sencut. I know it's like the budget brand of civivi. I guess I don't know. My opinion, civivi's kind of getting up there in prices and stuff like that, materials and all that type of stuff for their knives. Like I know We Knives is their like parent company kind of in a way, or it's their sister companies. I don't know what you would say about them, but I know sencut is civivi's budget kind of brand, and I think it would be a little better, but like I said, maybe it's just a dud. I'm hoping that's all it is. I'm not gonna steer me away from checking them out. It's just kind of a hassle, but I guess you live and you learn. I'll probably just get a different type of sencut, but that's that for now. Like I know if you guys have had any problems with them or anything like that, just let me know in the comments because I hope I'm not the only one. Maybe I'm just crazy. But like I said, I'm just kind of frustrated because it took me hours to work on this and it's still not even that great. So I don't know. It is that D2. So I did like that. I like the D2 steel. I don't know. I always have. And it is the drop point. The blade size I thought was a good size. It's like 3.48 inches long. So and it felt like I said, like it felt great in my hand. I was real excited for it. Even the pocket clip is nice. I like the pocket clip. It doesn't feel like it's in your way when you're holding it. It's got a good point to it, and it was a good blade. Just a lot of problems opening it up, and like I lubed it. Like I opened it up, took everything apart. I lubed just everything I thought I would need it. It was really dry, so that's why I thought it might fix it. But like, it didn't. It wasn't having it today, I guess. But yeah, like even this was the worst part, like the button lock. Like it just, no matter what I do to it, it's always kind of a pain and a fight to get to work. Well, that's just my my thoughts on that. Like, hopefully, it's not everybody's problem. Like I said, I don't know. Maybe it's the G or the excuse me the micarta scales. I don't know. Like, I think it looks great, but this one was kind of a dud for now. But like I said, not going to steer me away. And like I said, this is the conspirator. I'm kind of excited about this. I like the way it looked online. It's also a button lock, obviously. I kind of went through a button lock buying stage. Here's the normal stuff, you know, stickers, information on it, and obviously your cloth. Normal civivi stuff. Yeah, see, I got that another button lock I like. I don't know, I thought, went through a button lock stage, buying stage. I don't know, I thought they looked good. That actually opened really well and closed pretty well. I'm not having any problems with this guy so far. Let's see if I can do this with the Band-Aid. Yep, that actually worked really well too. Like, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I like the way it sounds too. Yeah, that just sounds pretty good too. I like that. I keep wanting to go for the liner lock for some reason. I guess I have a lot of liner locks. I don't know. Well, I guess also I'm used to having button locks, so this is all kind of new to me. It's got that Nitro V steel, so it's got some good steel on it, good sturdy, corrosion resistant. And I like that it was toughness, had a lot of toughness on it. I guess it was kind of new for me. I've never had a Nitro V, so when I read up on it, it sounded like it was pretty good. This is kind of messing with me. This little color right there of the black micarta. It makes me think there's almost like a frame or a liner lock. It makes me want to keep kind of going back for it when I close it. It's kind of, I don't know, maybe it's just me being weird. The pocket clip is reversible, and the screws are recessed. If you can see it, there you go. They are recessed. I do like that. CVV does do that. It does work really well. Like, it's really nice actually. I really like this one. You know, and it's light too. It is skeletonized, so that makes it kind of nice. Makes it light. Feels really sturdy. Jipping's pretty nice. You can really choke up on it. Like I said, I have small hands, so my little fingers can fit on there just fine. It feels like, yeah, like I said, it got some. It's good and sturdy. Don't feel like I'm gonna slip or anything. That's nice. I like that. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm just keep opening. I like to open it for some reason. I do like that you can reverse flip it too. That's real easy. It is a drop point blade or shape. And that Nitro V, like I said, I do like that. It just looks nice. I like that. That black micarta and that stonewash, that looks good. I keep getting my Band-Aid caught on that pocket clip, but yeah, I like this. This looks good. Sounds good. I think that's what my favorite part is. Just the way that sounds. I don't know. These two are the ones I just recently bought, so like I said, if you guys have had any problems with these, just let me know what you guys have done to help alleviate that. I don't want to get rid of it, and I don't want to start getting different knives, just steering away from sencut, because I think they are a good company. My first one was a dud. But if you guys have had any problems, let me know. If you guys like the video, just give it a thumbs up or a comment or subscribe. Thanks.